All right, so I've got this guy oriented. I'll close down the south elevation and maybe the site plan for right now and just work in 3D. So now I want to create the Toposolid using these 3D lines, right, that are contours. If we do look at it in site plan, it's a pretty clean drawing, like it goes right to the edge. But man, this thing does some weird stuff to it. So let's go ahead and create that Toposolid. So I'll go to the Massing and Site tab and go to the Toposolid and create from import, right? We created from Sketch last time. And up here you have a CSV point file or a create from CAD, and we have a CAD file here. So I'm going to create from CAD, and then it's going to allow me to pick the CAD file. So I'll left click on it, and it's going to show me all the layers in the CAD file. And so I'm just going to check none, and the only layer that I want to create the contours with are the topo layers. And if I click OK, it goes through and creates it. But man, the new topo surfaces, these solid surfaces, they allow for concave stuff. And I don't know why this guy is concave here. And this guy, I don't know, it's a little weird the way that it decides whether it's concave or not. But what we can do is if we go to the site plan to sort of fix that, we can come in and pick this guy, pick the Toposolid and edit the sketch. So if we edit the sketch, it'll give us that funky outline. And basically, I just want to go in and delete all of the weirdness except for 2 corners, right? So I'm just going to delete all of that. So I've got basically 4 lines. And then there's a trim command, trim extend to corner. And TR is the shortcut. Then I'll just trim these guys out. Now, I don't know why it still does weirdness, but it does a little bit. I mean, it basically fixes it. But there's some strange, like it cants the side of it. I don't know. I might have a little bit of a line out of whack, but we're just going to ignore that for right now. And so you can see that it has created this topo, right? And so I'll go ahead right now and let's get rid of the topography drawing so we can just work with the topo itself. So I'm not going to delete it. I could, but I'm going to go to the Insert tab and Manage Links and go to CAD Formats, and it will show me that linked drawing, and I'll just unload it, right? So that unloads it for the entire file. And so now we have this guy sitting here and sort of ready to work with. And so the next thing that we'll do is I'll go in and put sort of some water in there, and also eventually put some stairs and that kind of stuff in. Okay.